Welcome to Indonesia, a paradise of diverse landscapes, rich cultures, and natural wonders. If you're planning your next adventure, let me show you 5 breathtaking destinations that should be on every traveler's list. First on our list is Bali, known worldwide for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and spiritual retreats. Whether you're looking to surf in Uluwatu, visit the sacred temples like Uluwatu Temple, or relax in luxury resorts, Bali has something for everyone. Did you know Bali is often called the Island of the Gods due to its strong connection to Balinese Hinduism? There are over 20,000 temples on the island. Have you been to Bali before? Let me know in the comments about your favorite spots. Next up, Komodo National Park, home to the legendary Komodo dragons. But there's more to this place than just dragons. Pink Beach, with its unique pink-hued sands, is a must-visit, and the coral reefs here are perfect for diving or snorkeling. Komodo dragons are the largest living lizards, growing up to 10 feet long and weighing over 150 pounds. If you love wildlife, this is the place for you. Would you dare to visit Komodo dragons in their natural habitat? If you're a fan of marine life, Raja Ampat is your ultimate destination. Known as one of the most biodiverse marine habitats in the world, it's perfect for snorkeling, diving, or just relaxing on its remote islands. Raja Ampat has more species of fish and coral than anywhere else on Earth. It's a diver's dream. Would you love to explore this underwater paradise? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For adventure seekers, Mount Bromo offers one of the most breathtaking sunrises in the world. This active volcano, located in East Java, is an iconic trekking spot for those looking to experience the magic of Indonesia's volcanic landscapes. Standing at 2,329 meters, Mount Bromo is still an active volcano, but it's safe for trekking and offers some of the most unforgettable views you'll ever see. Last but not least, Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake in the world. Located in Sumatra, it's a perfect destination for those looking to relax and immerse themselves in the local culture. The lake is surrounded by beautiful landscapes and charming Batak villages. Lake Toba was formed by a massive volcanic eruption over 74,000 years ago and is the largest lake in Southeast Asia. Indonesia is more than just a destination. It's a journey of discovery, where every corner holds a new adventure. Whether you're seeking tranquility or excitement, you'll find it all here. From world-famous beaches to hidden gems waiting to be explored, Indonesia truly has it all. As you can see, Indonesia is a country filled with unmatched beauty and adventure. From the crystal clear waters of Raja Ampat to the majestic heights of Mount Bromo. Every destination offers its own unique charm and experiences. Whether you're diving into the deep blue, trekking through volcanic landscapes, or simply enjoying the serenity of a quiet lake, Indonesia invites you to explore its wonders. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream vacation to Indonesia today, and let these incredible places leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. And if you're as excited about Indonesia as we are, make sure to check out our other videos for more travel tips, destination ideas, and adventure stories. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our future content.